Welcome back to today's report. Chart appraisals on Monday the 15th of June with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets. Let's have a look at cable now, and the rally on cable has continued and actually closed higher on Friday once again, and that close higher was actually above that 23.6% fib retracement of this big bull rally that we had, and that was providing a resistance. But just again, it's just you can't really get behind this cable rally in my opinion, because it just forever is throwing up sort of 2 steps forward, 1 step back, and it just leads me a little bit cold this cable rally that we've had, and I'm just a little bit skeptical about it. I mean, you've got the bull run that saw the RSI pushing up above 70, so that was very strong momentum. But this run here that we've had, we've still got the RSI is just languishing underneath 60, which to me is a pretty sort of tepid rally, really, and that just leaves it a little bit cold in my opinion, because you've got the MACD lines here not really advancing. In fact, they're actually turning over. Stochastic's beginning to run out a bit of steam as well. So I'm just a little bit concerned that, I mean, it is a positive that you've had this run higher in the past week. That's sort of 400 pips, but I'm just concerned from the bulls' perspective that I don't think you're going to get too much more. I still think you're going to see a lower high underneath that 5700 level, I'm just, yeah, I'm just not entirely convinced by this rally. Basically, you've had this breakout. This is on the intraday chart. You've got higher lows pretty much across the past week or so. But look at this again. The momentum indicators, hourly RSI, sort of arguably a bear divergence. MACD lines, pretty big bear divergence on that, and also the stochastics are not really pushing strongly higher either. So it just leads me to suggest that there, at some stage, probably in the next day or so, I think you're going to get this top being left, and I think that you could well see this cable starts to fall over. Although obviously the bulls are in control at the moment, just this loss or lack of momentum is not really doing me any sort of favors for going on the bull side. Now, okay, so what signals would you look out for? Well, you'd look out for this support that comes in here at 54.65. That's your first marker point, I would say. At the moment, we've just drifted back into this support sort of band here around these sort of breakout levels, and it's just starting to fall back again. So 54.65 is your first support, and then the big one comes in at 54.20. That is the reaction low that we saw on Thursday last week, and if that were to go, I would say that would be confirmation that this is now sort of falling in place, and you could well have a big high, another key reaction high. But just be very careful about this rally, because I'm just not convinced that the bulls have got control, and I think we could be once again in the process of sort of falling over. But I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.